Hi there, mathematicians. Let's learn how to construct objects using our calculator. So the objects we'll construct with this video is a point and a line. So as you're watching this video, be sure to take notes as to which keys you press to get to your constructions. So we're going to start with the Home button. Then we'll select New Document. Then select Add Geometry, and that gives you a blank document. You can save your documents, which is pretty cool. Then go to Menu, then find Points and Lines, and then within our list it's option number 1 to construct a point. And notice how your little pencil with the vocabulary word and a point, as you move your cursor, you just decide where you want to drop it, hit enter, and it will drop the point wherever you hit enter. If you forget these steps, you can scroll over to the upper left-hand corner where you see the point mode icon, and a menu will open with the directions on how to use this feature. So if you ever forget how to use any of the features, you can always scroll over the icon in the upper left-hand corner to reveal instructions. It also is helpful to know what mode you're in, because if you're in this mode and you don't get out of it and you just keep moving your cursor, it's going to keep doing constructions of points. To get out of the mode, simply hit Escape. So notice the icon is no longer there, so that means you are no longer in the point mode. Alright, next let's practice naming our points. So go to Actions, we went back to Menu, select Actions, and then notice option number 7, Text. Now we have our cursor that looks kind of like a text box. So let's name this first point, and it opens up a box, and you can select your capital A. Capital A is located down here in your keyboard area. So once you select your capital letter, hit enter, and that places the letter where you'd like, and you're still in text mode. Again, if you forget these steps, you can scroll over the icon located in the upper left hand corner to reveal the directions. So you are still in text mode, so you can move on to whatever points next, and you can name it. Notice how I typed in a lowercase letter this time. Remember, lowercase letters names lines, not points, so this would not be an accurate notation. So I've made a mistake, so I delete, and I need to select capital, so that involves the Shift key to get the capital letter. So you can just keep naming your letters, Shift, and then the letter on the keyboard. And remember, when you want to get out of the mode, hit Escape. Alright, let's construct a line. But let's open up a new document. So go to Doc, File, New. And you can save this however you'd like. I'm going to save it as point. Add Geometry. And there's your new document. So go to Menu, Points and Lines. Now select Line. Notice the icon. If I scroll over it, it gives you directions on how to do this, but essentially you just decide where you want to put your line, and remember, a line contains exactly 2 points. So I've got to select my first point, so I hit enter of where I want my first point, and then you'll notice a dashed line, and I'm moving it around the screen, and wherever you decide you want to drop your line, hit your second enter, and there's your line. Remember, you're still in line mode, so if you don't hit escape, you will continue to create more lines. There's 2 lines that intersect. So if I wanted to do that construction and then maybe I want to go back and identify the point of intersection with a point, notice I can select the location and notice the vocabulary words that came up on the screen when I put a cursor over the point of intersection. But if I take it away, then I'm no longer at the intersection. So it identifies it for you, your calculator. So you can hit enter and it creates the point. If you want a text box, you can go to your actions, hit text, move your cursor to the area where you want to put a text for that point of intersection. And you can name any of the points on your construction. So just got to play around with the different features here and get real familiar with these types of constructions, because we'll take a look at additional constructions as we move along in geometry. This is a great start. So keep practicing. Bring any clarifying questions to class.